Wow, my students, boy, vacation always goes by way too fast. Now, we are going to have a redo on the test for people that want to. That's why I put the grades out so you can show or see where you're at. We'll talk more about that on Monday. Here's a couple videos. Notice this is an exponential graph because the power is the unknown. That's what's changing. To graph it, we're just going to plug and chug to get a flow or an idea what's going on. If I put in 0, 2 to the 0 power is 1. So an exponential, when you have a number to a variable, always goes through this point, 0, 1, always. Now notice if I put 1 in, 2 to the first is 2, so 1 and then y would be 2. Put in 2, 2 squared is 4, so 2, 4. Ew. Then put in 3, 2 cubed is 8. So 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this thing is going up and it's going up fast. Now it never ever goes straight up. It's slowly going to the right. Now, let's put in -1. 2 to the -1. Negative means take the reciprocal, so that'd be a half. -2 would be 1/4. So it's getting closer and closer to the negative x-axis, but never touches. Remember, that's called an asymptote. So if I said, hey, what's the domain and what's the range? Well, the domain is how far left and right is it going? What's going to the right forever? It's going to the left forever, so it's all reals. The range is starting here and going up. Well, it doesn't touch the x-axis. So if you remember, the x-axis is y equals 0. The y-axis is x equals 0. So it'd be y is greater than 0. No equals because it doesn't touch. Now, an exponential, before we had technology, they decided to work with the power. Now, you got to be careful because different books put the variables in different places or use different variables or different letters. Be better to say it that way. But what we want to do is just rewrite an exponential so that the answer is the power. The answer is the power. So what they did is they said we're going to call it log so people know that we just rewrote the exponential. The base goes next to the g. What the answer of the exponential comes next, and it equals the power. So in this case, log base b of y equals x. Now some books that go b of y equals x. So just be careful. So if I want to write this as a log, I'd go log base 2 of the answer equals the power. This one, log base 4 of the answer equals the power. So how do I write this? Log base 6 of the answer equals the power. So if I'm given a log, it's base power equals answer. I think most people agree with that. 5 squared is 25. So this one, 1/2 to the -1 base power answer. Negative means take the reciprocal. So this one, 27 to the 2/3. 3 means cube root. And squared is 9. So there we go. Ooh.